Sound check in progress at the Loafing Dog for open mic night. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. You got it? All right, what are we going to sing now?
You need to do it now.
You want me to do it now? How about both of us do it? Get that boo-boo out your mouth. All right, here we go. You ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. What next? Jesus loves me.
No.
No?
It's Rocky.
Where is who?
Where's Rocky?
Where is who?
Rocky.
Where is Buddy? Where is Buddy? He's with Jesus. He's with Jesus.
No.
Yeah. Hey, where is Mommy? Where is Mommy? Taking care of babies. Taking care of babies. She's at work. She's at work. Where is Daddy? Where is Daddy? He's at work. He's at work. Climbing tall buildings. Climbing tall buildings. He's at work. He's at work. Now who you gonna do?
It's Ray.
Where is Ray Ray? She at work. She at work. Working at the courthouse. Working at the courthouse. She at work. She at work. Where is Mimi? She at work. She at work. Taking care of lawn business. Taking care of lawn business. She at work. She at work. All right. Well, you think we got her sounding like we need it? E, F, G. Okay, go ahead. All right, sound check complete. Good job.